Boda, bold option defines advantage. Power flows, carbon low is the mission Boda upholds. As long as you provide us with a design drawing or even just share an idea, Boda will turn it into reality. A typical example is that Boda technicians turn steel plates, parallel flange channels, and other materials into transformer tank via precise, multi-step process. Strict quality control runs through every link. First, based on design requirements, steel plates are cut into exact and different components using laser, plasma, or flame cutting. Next, plate rolling machine rolls flat plate to cylinders. Hydraulic presses or bending machines shape flat plates into 3D structures like tank walls and corrugated panels. Those corrugations are key for heat dissipation. The core step is fitting and welding. Components are aligned, then welded with manual arc or submerged arc welding to ensure strength, and sealing for oil pressure and long service. At this step, meticulous grinding and cleaning are some important steps that cannot be spared. After rigorous leak or pressure tests, the tank is shot blasted to remove slag and rust, getting a clean surface. Then it undergoes a non-destructive test. Finally, anti-corrosive paint is applied. Once cured, conservators, radiators, bushings and valves are installed, completing the assembly, ready for core fitting and oil filling. A series of testing must be done: tread test gauge, chromer inspection, DFT inspection, adhesion testing, etc. This precise process ensures the tank hermetically protects transformer core components for decades.